Thomas, what is it? That penalty Perfect temperature.
Mikel, back to winning ways in the Premier League. How impressed were you with that performance today?
I'm really happy. After a nervous start with the first 15-20 minutes, we were a little bit uncontrolled and losing possession in really dangerous areas. We started to get control. We scored a wonderful goal, the first one. I think that built confidence in the team, and then we started to play the way we wanted. We dominated the game. We scored 3 really good goals. We probably could have scored more as well, and I'm really happy because we had some big performances as well.
That first goal from Lacazette, is that exactly how you're looking for your team to play? It seemed to have your stamp all over it.
It has, but we have to score goals in many different ways. It cannot be always like that, and today we've done it in 3 different ways. We look much more of a threat. We attack them, we are more vertical, and I'm really happy.